Okay guys, today we are going to do a little review with the Gerber Multi-tool. It just kind of looks a little normal. Just some tweezers. Just a little. But it's not that. It is not that. It has way more tools. Like a bunch more. Okay. So first we're gonna do the inch ruler. It starts out with the 3. I don't know why the ending is with a 1. But that's confusing, but it's okay. Then there's one with like centimeters. Starts from A to 1. And here's the name. Gerber, made in the USA. So let's do this. Pinch these, slap it right out. This is the
needle nose?
The needle nose, and then the
plier?
The plier, and then we have the wire cutter. So then there's a lot of tools. So let me just fan this out. Ugh. First we do that. Second. God, my hands are sweaty. Here. There. Okay. So first we have these scissors right here, meant to cut wires and stuff, like plastic wire. Put this away. Then we have a flat screwdriver, then with a can opener right here, bottle opener. Then we have a mini screwdriver, and then you can like do it with your license plate. And then you have a can opener. This is really, really useful. It's really easy to use too. So, and then you have the file. There's like a kind of rough side that is ticklish on your nail, and another rough side that is also ticklish on your nail. My dad just laughed at me. And then you have a saw, a black saw. There's a Remy Grit GJ4. So take this bad boy back in. Then you have another screwdriver. We have 3 screwdrivers in this Gerber Multi-tool. This is also for your license plate too. Put that bad boy away. Now, since I've been kind of practicing, this one is kind of my favorite one. It's handy. It's a rough part right here of the knife, then the smooth part, and then what is the smooth part for?
Just a general purpose, and then you have the serrated is for heavy duty cutting.
Oh, and also it can be used for like cutting ropes, small ropes, thick ropes. And that is it for the Gerber Multi-tool. If you guys want to subscribe, please. That makes you really cool. Hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.